पुरुषः प्रकृतिस्थो हि भुङ्क्ते प्रकृतिजान् गुणान् कारणं गुणसङ्गोऽस्य सदसद्योनिजन्मसु. In this verse, Lord Krishna explains the relationship between the individual and the material world. This verse underscores the idea that our experiences and the nature of our existence are profoundly influenced by our interaction with the material world and its qualities. It emphasizes the importance of being mindful of the associations we choose to engage with. उपद्रष्टानुमन्ता च भर्ता भोक्ता महेश्वरः परमात्मेति चाप्युक्तो देहेऽस्मिन् पुरुषः परः. In this verse, Lord Krishna delineates various roles of the individual spirit in relation to the body and the material world. This verse highlights the multifaceted nature of the individual, portraying both the mundane and divine aspects of consciousness. It emphasizes the relationship between the individual and the Supreme, encouraging a deeper understanding of one's true nature beyond physical identification. य एवं वेत्ति पुरुषं प्रकृतिं च गुणैः सह सर्वथा वर्तमानोऽपि न स भूयोऽभिजायते. In this verse, Lord Krishna highlights the significance of understanding the nature of the self and its relation to material existence. This verse emphasizes that true knowledge and realization of one's nature, along with an understanding of the material world, lead to liberation. It suggests that while one may live in the material world, profound insight into one's spiritual identity can transcend the limitations of existence. ध्यानेनात्मनि पश्यन्ति केचिदात्मानमात्मना अन्ये साङ्ख्येन योगेन कर्मयोगेन चापरे. In this verse, Lord Krishna describes different paths through which individuals can realize their true nature. This verse illustrates the diversity of spiritual paths available to individuals, recognizing that different approaches may resonate with different people, whether through meditation, philosophical inquiry, or selfless action. Each path can ultimately lead to the understanding of the true self. अन्ये त्वेवमजानन्तः श्रुत्वा नेभ्य उपासते तेऽपि चातितरन्त्यैव मृत्युं श्रुतिपरायणाः. In this verse, Lord Krishna speaks about those who, although they may not fully comprehend the nature of the self, still engage in spiritual practices. This verse highlights the importance of faith and devotion even among those who may not fully grasp the philosophical underpinnings of spirituality. It emphasizes that sincere worship and adherence to spiritual teachings can still lead to liberation from the cycle of birth and death. यावत् सञ्जायते किञ्चित् सत्त्वं स्थावरजङ्गमं क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञसंयोगात् तद्विद्धि भरतर्षभ. In this verse, Lord Krishna explains the fundamental relationship between existence and the interplay of the material world. This verse reinforces the idea that the material world is animated by the presence of consciousness and that all forms of life are interconnected through the interplay of the field and the knower of the field. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishtantam parameshwaram vinashyatsu vinashyantai yaf pashyati sapashyati. In this verse, Lord Krishna emphasizes the vision of oneness and the recognition of the eternal amidst the transient. This verse invites individuals to cultivate a holistic vision that appreciates the unity of all beings and the eternal nature of the Supreme. It encourages a spiritual perspective that recognizes the interconnectedness of life. Samam pashyan hi sarvatra samavasthitamishwaram nahi nastyatmanatmanan tato yati parangatim. In this verse, Lord Krishna reinforces the concept of seeing the divine presence in all aspects of life. This verse highlights the importance of compassion and understanding and achieving spiritual growth. By recognizing the divine presence in all beings, we cultivate a harmonious relationships with the world, leading to our own spiritual advancement. Prakrityaiva cha karmani kriyamaणानि sarvashah यः पश्यति तथात्मानं akartaram sapashyati. In this verse, Lord Krishna elucidates the relationship between actions and the self. This verse highlights the distinction between the self and the actions that take place within the material world. It encourages individuals to cultivate a perspective that recognizes the divine presence within and the workings of nature, leading to a more profound understanding of one's true identity. यदा भूतपृथग्भावम् एकस्थमनुपश्यति तत एव च विस्तारं ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा. In this verse, Lord Krishna elaborates on the realization of unity within diversity. This verse emphasizes the importance of perception and insight in spiritual understanding. It encourages individuals to look beyond the surface differences among beings and to recognize the underlying unity, which is essential for attaining a greater awareness of the divine.